A vibrant garden is a source of joy and nourishment. Plants need a balanced diet to thrive, and that's where fertilizers come in. Choosing the right fertilizer can seem daunting, but with knowledge, you can unlock a flourishing garden. Fertilizers provide essential nutrients for healthy growth. Whether organic or synthetic, proper fertilization makes a remarkable difference. Let's unlock the secrets to a thriving garden together. Understanding the basics of plant nutrition. Plants need a specific combination of nutrients for optimal growth. The primary nutrients are nitrogen, phosphorus, and potassium, known as NPK. Nitrogen promotes leafy growth, phosphorus supports roots and flowering, and potassium aids overall health. Secondary nutrients like calcium, magnesium, and sulfur are also vital. Micronutrients, including iron, manganese, zinc, and copper, are essential in smaller quantities. Their absence can lead to deficiencies and hinder growth. Decoding the secrets of NPK. NPK, the shorthand for nitrogen, phosphorus, and potassium, is the cornerstone of understanding fertilizer labels. These three numbers represent the percentage of each nutrient in the fertilizer blend. For example, a 10-10-10 fertilizer contains 10% nitrogen, 10% phosphorus, and 10% potassium. The NPK ratio provides valuable insights into the fertilizer's intended use. A high nitrogen fertilizer, like 25-5, is ideal for leafy green growth, making it suitable for lawns and foliage plants. A fertilizer with higher phosphorus and potassium levels, such as 5-10-10, is better suited for flowering and fruiting plants, promoting vibrant blooms and abundant harvests. Understanding the NPK ratio allows you to choose the right fertilizer for the specific needs of your plants. Think of the NPK ratio as a recipe for plant growth. By understanding the NPK ratio, you can tailor your fertilization strategy to achieve specific goals in your garden. It's like having a personalized nutrition plan for your plants, ensuring they receive the precise nutrients they need to thrive. Organic fertilizers are derived from natural sources, such as composted plant material, animal manure, and bone meal. They release nutrients slowly, improving soil health over time. Choosing organic fertilizers is like nourishing your garden with wholesome, natural ingredients, promoting long-term soil health and sustainability. Synthetic fertilizers, on the other hand, are manufactured chemically, providing a readily available source of nutrients. They offer a quick fix for nutrient deficiencies, but can sometimes deplete soil health over time if not used responsibly. Organic fertilizers nurture the soil ecosystem, fostering beneficial microbial activity and improving soil structure. This creates a healthy environment for plant roots to thrive, leading to stronger, more resilient plants. Synthetic fertilizers offer a convenient and precise way to deliver nutrients, allowing for targeted application and quick results. However, overuse can lead to nutrient imbalances and harm beneficial soil organisms. While effective in the short term, responsible use is crucial for maintaining soil health. It's like using a powerful tool that requires careful handling to avoid unintended consequences. Understanding fertilizer labels is crucial for making informed choices about the best nutrients for your garden. The label provides a wealth of information, including the NPK ratio, the type of fertilizer, organic or synthetic, and specific instructions for application. The NPK ratio, prominently displayed on the label, indicates the percentage of nitrogen, phosphorus, and potassium in the fertilizer. This ratio is key to choosing the right fertilizer for specific plant needs. The label also specifies whether the fertilizer is organic or synthetic. Organic fertilizers are derived from natural sources, while synthetic fertilizers are manufactured chemically. Instructions for application, including recommended dosage and frequency, are also provided on the label. Following these instructions carefully is crucial for avoiding over-fertilization, which can harm plants and the environment. The application instructions are like a recipe, guiding you to the correct measurements and timing for optimal results. Proper fertilizer application is essential for maximizing plant growth and minimizing environmental impact. For granular fertilizers, evenly distribute the granules around the base of the plant, avoiding contact with the stem or leaves. Water the area thoroughly after application to help the nutrients dissolve and reach the plant's roots. Liquid fertilizers can be applied directly to the soil or foliage, following the instructions on the label. Dilute the fertilizer according to the recommended ratio to avoid burning the plants. When applying fertilizer, avoid over-fertilizing, as this can harm plants and pollute waterways. More is not always better when it comes to fertilization. Follow the recommended dosage and frequency to ensure optimal plant health and environmental responsibility. It's like adding too much salt to a recipe, ruining the balance of flavors. The timing of fertilizer application is crucial for maximizing its effectiveness. For established plants, apply fertilizer during the active growing season, typically in spring and summer. This provides the nutrients they need to produce lush foliage, vibrant blooms, and abundant harvests. Newly planted seedlings and transplants benefit from a gentle application of fertilizer once they have established a few leaves. This helps them develop a strong root system and adapt to their new environment. Avoid fertilizing dormant plants, as they cannot absorb nutrients efficiently during this period. Fertilizing dormant plants is like offering food to someone who is sleeping. It's not beneficial and can even be harmful. Wait until the plant shows signs of new growth before resuming fertilization. Different plants have different nutrient requirements. Leafy green vegetables benefit from high nitrogen fertilizers, while flowering and fruiting plants require higher phosphorus and potassium levels. Acid-loving plants, such as blueberries and azaleas, thrive in acidic soil conditions. Using a fertilizer specifically formulated for acid-loving plants helps maintain the ideal pH level for optimal growth. Roses, known for their beautiful blooms, benefit from fertilizers with a balanced NPK ratio and added micronutrients. This promotes vigorous growth and abundant flower production. It's like providing a gourmet meal to a prized guest, ensuring they receive the best nourishment. Container plants have unique fertilization needs due to the limited amount of soil available. Regular fertilization is essential to replenish nutrients that are quickly depleted in container gardening. Use a balanced, water-soluble fertilizer specifically designed for container plants. This provides readily available nutrients and helps prevent nutrient buildup in the confined space. Regularly monitor the moisture level of the soil in containers, as frequent watering can leach out nutrients. Adjust your watering and fertilization schedule accordingly to maintain optimal moisture and nutrient levels. It's like carefully monitoring the food and water intake of a pet, ensuring they receive the right balance for their well-being. Choosing the right fertilizer is a crucial step on the path to a thriving garden. By understanding the basics of plant nutrition, decoding fertilizer labels, and following proper application techniques, you can unlock the full potential of your plants. Whether you choose organic or synthetic fertilizers, making informed choices is key to achieving your gardening goals. Consider your plant's specific needs, your gardening philosophy, and the long-term health of your soil. With the right knowledge and a little practice, you can transform your garden into a vibrant and productive space, filled with the beauty of healthy blooms and the bounty of fresh produce. It's like becoming a master chef in the garden, creating a culinary masterpiece of nature's finest ingredients. Happy gardening!